So when you have so many different kind of Lego sets, how do you know how much they're actually worth? Well, the reality is you always have something called the instructions booklets. If you're buying Lego sets, without having the instructions booklets, you're not going to be able to tell the true value of those specific sets. In fact, having this number is essential for your success in Lego investing and collecting. Over here I have a bunch of different booklets. The first thing I have to do is to match the actual booklet to the sets that I have over here that are all over the table. Those different kind of sets over here, but this is not all of them. In fact, I have whole buckets full of them that are ready to be Legovested. So the whole buckets of sets that are available are right here. You can see there is different kinds of sets that are all over the place. And what I have to do is to finish building them up and putting them together. Once I finish and I put them all together, what I'm going to be doing is lining them up and getting ready to post them for sale. So it's not always easy to figure out the exact price of different Lego sets. Therefore, you need to do research and find out exactly how much your set is actually worth. In fact, a website known as Brickman does exactly that. It lets you know how much your actual Lego set is worth right now. And it even lets you track over time how much a set went up or down in price. In fact, if you look all the way at the top of the screen, you can actually see how much an actual Lego set went up in price over time. So let's go ahead and explore one specific Lego set. This one is the Crocodile Tribe pack that has been released in the year 2015. So if you take this set number and you just go ahead and post it up over here, you can find out exactly how much your actual Lego set is worth. And you can do this with different kind of Lego sets. This one right here as an example, you can see this one was just 72 different pieces. It has 3 minifigures and it is a very small set that was released a few years ago. The retail price of it was only 10 bucks. You can see that this set is selling for 14 bucks, which is 7% higher than it used to sell. And if you keep looking, you can see the actual value of this set over time. So this is just an example of one specific set, but if you have more sets that you want to find out, all you have to do is to just type it in. In fact, you don't have to type the actual set in at all. So if you're typing in the Star Wars special edition sets, and there's so many different kind of sets that have to do with Star Wars themselves, but I want to find something that was super vintage. So let's press on that one. This is a vintage battle pack that came out in the year 2000. There was only 3 minifigures for this specific set. It retailed for only 5 bucks. Right now, the price of this set is worth $27. This is exponentially increased over time. And if you keep on looking over here, you can see that the value of this set actually went down in the past year. Now, the reason for this, why it actually goes down, it has to do something with seasonality a lot of times as well, but also over time, some sets go up or down in price. And the reason why they go up in price is sometimes if there is a re-release of the same set, the price actually drops. At other times, it actually picks up interest of the set even more. So in this one, we are going to be exploring a super vintage Lego set, which is the Pirate Desert Island. This one came out at the year 1991. In fact, it was such a long time ago that there is no even base price for this product because it was so vintage. Right now the price of it is 30 bucks. I assume that the price of it back then was less than 5 bucks. Legos always go up. It is something that you should definitely invest in because there are so many different Lego sets. And if you're interested just to know about different kind of Legos and how much prices actually went up over time, you can go into the popular themes, check out the all different themes that are available. Press on Marvel Superheroes just as an example, and you can see here different kind of sets that have been released for different selected years. You can actually pick by specific sets or you can select it by year. So let's go ahead and take a look in the year 2012 when superheroes just got started and see how much this set is worth today. So this specific set was released in the year 2012 and it started at 20 bucks. And you can see that this set went from 20 all the way to $80. This is a whopping amount of money for a very small miniature set that only has 200 pieces. Let's go ahead and check on a recent Lego set that went up exponentially in price. This one was called the Avengers Tower. This interesting set, by the way, came out in the year 2015. I actually wanted to buy this one myself. I was very interested in it, but I thought that it didn't look good enough for me to buy. And maybe over time, it's gonna go and get discounted. Keep in mind that initially, some Lego sets do get discounted right at the time they almost get retired. This is the only time that you actually have time to jump and buy this specific set. Because if you miss your opportunity, this set is gonna go up exponentially in value. In fact, right now, this set is worth $145. This is talking about a set that was worth very small amount, relatively speaking, $60 when it started, tripled in value over time. So this actually can happen to a lot of different sets. And this specific set not only doesn't really go down in value, it stays up in value and is even going a lot higher. If you look at the price history of this set, a new set such as this actually went up all the way to almost 150 right now. On the other hand, if you're looking at a used set, the prices kept on being a little bit steady. During the holiday seasonality, it went up in price for a few months, but then it actually stayed relatively flat. And you can actually make a decent amount of money investing in this set. So lesson learned is the following. Lego sets only go up in price. Pick good sets with good themes. Make sure you look for superhero sets, Star Wars set, and theme sets that are highly collectible and are desired. Thank you so much for watching the demo about Legos, and now it is time for you to graduate to the exclusive Legovesting class. It is the only class that is available on Udemy on this topic. There's actually two classes that I have created. One is Lego Mocha, where you can create your own custom-made creations, and I show you in 31 lectures how to exactly do so. This class features a lot of my different creations, how you can customize and create your own, and so on. The next class that I also feature is Lego Investing. Right on the side of this video, you're going to see a few links that give you an exclusive access to those classes for the lowest price level of $9. And those are the best deals that I can do. Now with Legovesting, the complete guide to investing in Lego sets, this complete comprehensive class gives you 30-day money-back guarantee. Also, this class features 6 hours of on-demand video. You can buy this now for the cheapest possible price of $9.99. This course is one of the best on this topic. In fact, it features some of the best and most comprehensive guide to investing in Lego sets. Tells you how to get started, how to make money with Legos, how to build your own extensive Lego collection, where to find them, how to find them, which sets are going to go up in value, which ones are gonna go and you should invest in right now. Lego exclusive sets, we're gonna go into and review any kind of Lego sets. And of course, you're gonna get reviews of different sets for you to look, to collect, and which ones to avoid, including a guide to Lego collections. This class by itself is gonna tell you everything you need to know about how to get started creating your own comprehensive Lego collection from scratch, where to find them, how to make money with Legos, and even the guide how to sell Legos on eBay. This is a comprehensive guide, and you can't get all this information anywhere else. Of course, if you spend months, weeks, maybe years gathering and learning on the internet about this, you can get all the stuff for free, but I included years of experience, knowledge, and everything made just for you in this class. It's going to shortcut everything that you need to get started. A few other extras that I have for you in case you're interested is my actual Lego shop. You can go visit my Lego shop and buy some of my Lego custom-made creations for you, for your friend, or for a loved one. Also included is a link that's going to get you to my Lego channel. Now, I used to have my own Lego channel on YouTube, but now I moved it to my main channel. And in it, there was going to be a list where you can go and watch any of additional content that is not available on my actual Lego classes. So this is extra free knowledge just for you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enroll in one of my Lego courses, and plus join my YouTube channel or even buy one of my great Lego creations.